Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to delete a sheet in Excel. Okay, so if you want to delete a sheet, as you will see here, I have created many sheets. Okay, and now I want to delete these extra sheets. So how to do it in this video, I will show you how to do that. Okay, so first you can add sheet, okay, like this by clicking on this plus. Okay, now if you want to delete these sheets, what you have to do, here you have to just go to bottom, okay, here, and then here you have to right click. Okay, now click on right click here, and here you will see many options: insert sheet, delete sheets, rename, move or copy, view code. All these things you can do. So as I want to delete, so what you have to do, just click on delete and you will see the sheet is deleted. Okay, so like this you can delete any sheet in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.